What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller, 99% Amazon, 1% eBay. Today is another one of our what sold on Amazon videos, right? So I got 5 sales, kind of give you a full breakdown of how much I paid, how much we sold it for, how much we actually profited at the end of the day. These videos are actually pretty fun. I enjoy doing them so you guys can kind of see the insight of how much Amazon takes in fees, how much you actually make, and the possibilities of having a media business on Amazon. If you're interested in being around media, everything sellers over on Amazon, join the YouTube channel, $2.99, cheaper than a Happy Meal, gets you weekly coaching calls. What else we got? Private Discord. We got the extended podcast episodes as well. We do a lot of member stuff behind the scenes. Anyways, I'm jumping in. We're not cutting nothing today, right? We're just rocking and rolling along. So, first up, we have a DVD set. Never heard of this show. I'm curious if you've heard of it. The Fresh Beat Band. This is a Nickelodeon series, kids, I'd probably say teenager show. Season 3. We sold it for $99.99. The cats can eat another week because I made a little bit of money. So after fees, profit was $79.79. So right around $80 profit on a $100 sale. You seen the little screenshot. Someone selling it for $200, merchant fulfilled. Let's be real. We got it. First lesson. We're already into the first one. Be realistic with your prices. The same stuff happens on eBay. Anybody can sell the bookmark for tens of thousands of dollars. Anybody can list it, right? That doesn't mean it's going to sell. So when I sourced this $199 was still there. I priced mine prime, $99.99, got the sale. I highly doubt that this DVD set will sell for $200. You got to be real with yourself, right? I mean, come on now. We're getting out of hand here with some of this nonsense that's going on. Anyway, we made 79 bucks. We paid, I believe I got this from the Goodwill, so we paid $2.99 for it. So basically $75. It did take a little bit of time to sell. I think I sent this in about a month ago. So this wasn't something that sold right away. It sat there for a while. So, hey, it sold. We made our 75 bucks. Not every DVD you're going to sell is going to make you $75, all right? This is like an anomaly in the system here, but they're nice to have. So moving along. Next up, we got, this is another good bolo here. Eileen Connolly's Tarot, the first handbook for the master. Anything related to tarot, astrology, even the decks of cards. Yes, you can sell these used. Yes, one of the times Deb came thrifting with me at a Salvation Army, we were scanning and a lady brought out a cart and had a bunch of decks of tarot cards. Deb grabbed them all. They were all like $40, $50 profit, even used. You want to make sure all the cards are there, but even the books here are profitable. We sold this for $53.75. Profit after fees is $38.47. So basically we paid Amazon $15 in fees. That's the reality of selling on Amazon. The fees are up there, right? You're paying a lot to sell on the platform, to have the exposure. It's a tough pill to swallow when you first start, but the software kind of, lets you know what the fees are going to be up front. So it's not like a shock to you when you sell something and they take that much. This was a recent one. We probably sent this in about 3 weeks ago. I got this actually, I think this was from the library sale pickup that I had. So I'm into this maybe for 5 cents. But tarot, you see tarot, you better scan it. I knew when I seen it, I'm like, oh, this is probably going to be a good one. And always, if you see one tarot or astrology book, always make sure you look for more, because usually those people have pretty big collections, and when they get rid of them, they usually donate them all at the same time. So good bolo. Tarot cards, start reading the future, maybe read my future, tell me I'm going to be a billionaire. Moving on, we have another DVD set, Faking It Season 1. This is an MTV show. I paid 50 cents for this. I actually got it at a pawn shop. So I got one pawn shop I go to about once every 45 days. They do 20 DVDs for 10 bucks. They got thousands of them. I scanned this. I seen the $99.99 offer that's still there. And I told myself, well, I'm in it for 50 cents. I'm gonna list it, $49.99. Boom, sold it. Profit $37.47 minus the 50 cents. We basically made $37. Yet again, you have to be realistic with your pricing. Maybe you price it $99.99 and it sells, maybe not. I'm thinking to myself, this cheesy looking TV show, if I get 50 bucks as a sale price, I ain't going to complain. Stop trying to maximize every single penny, right? You'd rather take that money, reinvest it, keep the cash flow flowing, like I say, and then, you know, you're better off. How many more profitable DVDs can you buy for 37 bucks, right? I mean, it's crazy. Always be smart about how you're pricing this stuff, and don't price off the other idiots out there that just have theirs astronomically priced. So what do we got? Well, we did have a book. We got another book here. Another one I can't pronounce. Ohikoshi paperback. Believe it is these are stories told with the same bold kinetic and art style. I guess it's kind of like a graphic novel. Sold it for $39.95. Profit was $28.07. Paperbacks I'm usually into for 50 cents. So we've made right around 27 bucks, give or take, after buy cost. Amazon takes $12 in fees on a $40 book sale on a paperback, right? The fees are structured off how big the book is, how much it weighs. So just another piece of information. You sell a book for 40 bucks, Amazon's going to take 12, maybe more, maybe less, but it's not going to be that huge of a difference here. So, I mean, nice little sale here. I can't even tell you where I got this from. I have no idea. I don't even remember seeing this book cover. So who knows? It does look like the other people on the listing currently are right around the same price, $39.96. Hey, all you suckers out there that run your mouth about people shouldn't penny undercut. I did it. I got the sale. They didn't. And this was from the middle of September, these sales. So come see me, please. Comment down below and tell me that undercutting by a penny doesn't make a difference when I got proof right here that it does. I'm just saying, you people out there that run your mouth about these, stop undercutting by a penny, bro. You're destroying the market. Do you want to sell stuff, or do you want to store stuff in Amazon, or do you want to store stuff in your storage unit? Let's get real. I'm glad I got proof of this, and I'm glad I caught it while I was recording this, because I'm sick and tired of the nonsense about the penny undercutting. You don't like it? Beat it. Go do something else. I'm undercutting by a penny, and I'm telling every single person in my Discord that watches this channel that sells media to undercut by a penny. Until you can prove me otherwise, that it doesn't make sense, you're losing. Mike, if your books are being priced 1 cent under 20 times a day, that's 20 cents per book per day. That's $3 trillion. You're bankrupt. Moving on. Last one we got, DVD. This is a bolo too. I don't know what it is. I've actually packed this up yesterday to send out this week. Stephen King's Rose Red, Desperation, Storm of the Century, Riding the Bullet 4-pack. So the bolo in this is the Stephen King's. If you ever see them, they're usually always profitable. Particular for me, I found the Stephen King's Rose Red DVD by itself probably like once a week almost for the past month. Every single time, it's going to sell for $30, $35 every single time. We sold this for $39.82. Profit was $28.82. Not too shabby. DVDs, give or take. I think I got this from the community aid, so it was $1.50. We make around 27, give or take a little bit, but yeah, not a bad sale here. You do see the price has jumped up a little bit to $48.99, and it does look like that is merchant fulfilled, so I'm fine. If I can make 25 bucks on every DVD I sell, I'm gonna be rich. That easily balances out my trillions of dollars in losses from undercutting everybody by a penny. People drive me nuts. Anyways, that's my 5 sales. I think we learned a lot from this video. Tarot, Stephen King DVDs, even if it's crappy ones that kind of, don't seem like they're worth it. What else did we go down? Don't just list it at whatever Bozo the Clown has as their price. You can price anything at whatever you want, merchant fulfilled. Or list this book for $35 trillion. I scan it and it says I'm going to make $34 trillion. It can say whatever I want. Until it sells, it means nothing. You can list it. You see it all the time, all you garage sellers out there.
I looked it up on eBay, bro. You want to give me $1? Someone's got it listed on eBay for 50 G's.
Come on now. Anyways, I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more used book videos. Bye-bye.